Hello viewers, we are East Delhi based fabric wholesaler. I am showing you my showroom. It's my showroom. Here we are selling fabric. I show the fabric qualities which we are selling. We established, first of all I would like to tell about myself. We are East Delhi based fabric wholesaler. We established this firm in 2015, and since then we are delivering our product to different parts of India. So here I am showing you my fabrics. This is the cotton slab. I am starting from this. Here I am selling. This is the cotton slab. I show you the quality. This is the fabric quality. I am showing the fabric. What is the fabric? Cotton slab is basically 100% cotton, and it can be used in different items like men's wear, ladies wear, in making garments or anything. The next thing which I am showing you, it's cotton buta, having a texture effect. These are the butas, and in our category we also sell rayon slab, plain rayon slab. You can see the detail. It's a rayon slab having a texture effect that you can see. Same, it can be used in making garments, ladies kurta, plazo, anything. And this range is for the cotton flex. Basically it is a cotton and linen mix fabric, so it is used in making tops, bottom, dresses, anything you can make, even men's kurta, men's plazo, men's pajama, and men's kurta you can make in this fabric. This is you can see the texture of this fabric. This is the linen effect. Now other category in our fabric is rayon. This is the rayon fabric. I show you the quality. This is the color range, different type of colors in this. See the color range. This is the color range, and I show you the quality. This is the fabric, rayon. It's a heavy quality of rayon. You can make kurta, plazo, anything. Even in menswear also you can make kurtas in this fabric. And this category is rayon, another quality, lightweight quality. It's a 14 kg rayon. Same in ladies kurta and other things. So this is the color range of this fabric. And here another quality, another quality of rayon. It's a lightweight quality. I am showing the quality. And beside this we also do customized fabric. You can see this is a greige fabric, or you can say unprocessed fabric. This fabric will be dyed as per the customer requirement, and we also dyed as per our color chart. But beside this, if you have a good quantity in color, then the colors can be dyed as per requirement. So we deal in greige fabric, unprocessed, you can say one unprocessed fabric also. If you want to purchase it unprocessed, then we can sell you unprocessed. So in this category we sell different fabrics like cambric, rayon, cotton slabs, cotton flax, etc. Different booty items, jacquard fabrics. It can be anything in greige form and as well as in dyed form. So we also sell fabric as per customer order. And another category which I am showing you is cambric. It's 100% cotton cambric. These are the colors, and I show you the quality of the cambric. Cambric, everyone knows, it's 100% cotton. You can see this quality. So, and another category is georgette. These are the georgette fabric. Everyone knows about the georgette. Georgette is being used in making sarees, kurtis, salwars. So anything can be made. I show you the georgette. What is the georgette fabric? It can also be used in decoration as a decorative item. You can also use it where you want to decorate your area with fabric. So you can see the fabric. This is the georgette fabric. So in this fabric you can make anything like kurti, salwar. These are the satin fabrics, different satin prints. So this is our setup. These are the fabrics, different type of fabric. This is our setup. Another fabric category, these are the which I showed you earlier. It's a dyed cotton slub, heavy quality. And this is the silk, raw silk fabrics, making plazos. You can make sharara, anything you want to make in this fabric, or you can also make men's kurta. And these are the raw silk, and this is the another fabric. So I show you the whole fabric range. So this is our showroom. It's upper stair, and now I am going to downstairs again to show you the different fabric qualities. So beside this, we also deal in digital prints, printed fabric, etc. So I will show you everything now. Beside this, the category which we also do is a digital print. So you can see different type of digital prints. It's in satin. You can see this digital print on satin, different type of satin fabrics. It's a delta fabric. In this you can make dresses. It's a georgette. You can make any dress in this georgette, saris, and this is again another quality of satin. And beside this, we also doing the organza. I show you the organza. We also doing, see the designs which we are doing, and the organza. I show you the designs like what we do. Like these are the design. You can select anything from this, and that can be printed as per your choice. So I show you the design, different designs which you can select from our collection. So these are the designs. Any of the design you can select. Now I will say ki why you want to you should deal with us, because we are Delhi based, and we can give you competent range of products and transparency in our product. If you are already dealing with us, you can understand that what we are selling. We believe in quantity and quality, and our aim is to deliver our customers good quality product. And our quality policy starting to end till the customer requirement. So we deliver the final product as per our customer specification. So our customers, we are selling in different parts of India. You can see most of the India we are covering. So in most of the parts we are selling our products. So our customers testimonial, these are the customers testimonial, if visible, different products which we are doing. These are the customers testimonial. You can see these are from Kolkata, Kerala, Maharashtra, Delhi, Faridabad, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Hyderabad, Telangana, UP. So we are selling our product in different parts of India, and our customers are quite happy with our product. So you can see our products, and if in case you want to connect us, these are our contact detail. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.